Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today we will show you a digital surface resistivity meter which is used to measure the surface resistivity of ESD mat and other surfaces. We will show you the contents of this pack and the accessories supplied along with this equipment. So let's start and open this box first. And the first thing we will see is the a carry bag. The equipment is placed inside this carry bag. We will just unzip it and we can see the main equipment which is the 499D surface resistivity meter. A 9-volt rechargeable battery is also supplied along with this equipment, along with this operating manual and calibration certificate. See, I will give you a brief information about this product. This instrument is used to measure the surface resistivity of ESD mats, primarily ESD mats. We can measure surface resistivity of other surfaces as well, like PVC mats or similar type of surfaces. Grounding cord is also supplied along with this instrument. It is used to connect the instrument to the external grounding point. Now we will show you how to use this instrument for measuring the surface resistivity of anti-static surfaces. So let's make this instrument operational first and connect this 9-volt non-rechargeable battery. For this we need to remove this cover and connect the 9-volt non-rechargeable battery to the respective terminals, and then insert this battery inside this instrument and just cover the box back to its position. Now the cover is now back to its position and this instrument is operational now. This grounding cord is used to connect this instrument to the external grounding point. Banana plug is to be inserted uh, here, and then this crocodile clip is to be connected to external grounding point. We can remove this grounding cord as well, and we will measure the surface resistivity of the ESD mat kept on this table. We can do it very easily, and the value will be shown on the display. The first two digits denotes the surface resistivity of any surface under measurement, and the last two digits denotes the power. Suppose if we get the value first two digits 10 and the last two digits 8, then the surface resistivity will be 10 into 10 raised to power 8 ohms per square inch. So let's start and measure the surface resistivity by pressing this button. Now the value will be displayed. It is 7.8 into 10 raised to power 8 ohm per square inch. We will measure resistivity of other object as well. We have just taken this metal plate. We will keep this instrument on top of it and then press this push button, and the surface resistivity will be displayed. It is now 2.3 into 10 raised to power 6 ohm per square inch. We have seen how this instrument is used to measure the surface resistivity of various objects. So it's a very useful product for measuring and verifying the ESD properties of any object. And if we found any ESD object faulty, we can replace it. If the surface resistivity is not within permitted range, then we can use this instrument to verify it and then replace the product if it is beyond the permissible range. So in this video we have explained each and every aspect of this instrument. So hope you have liked it and it will prove useful to you. Thanks for watching.